What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, Bella? What are you doing? What are you doing on my desk? Did you climb up there?
No.
No? What are you doing? What is your name? What is your name? Bella. Those are mommy's bills. Those are mine. Put it back. Put it back. Put it back.
What?
That's my work. Get down. Put my pens back too. Put my pens back too.
What?
Put it back.
What do?
Now.
What do?
You took out all my stuff.
What? Mommy dog.
You done?